Hi guys, in this video I'll tell you how to add Gamestop gift card to your Apple Wallet. To do this, simply find this application in your iPhone named Wallet, and if you don't see it, simply go to App Store and download this app. After that, click on this Apple Wallet app, and when you click on this, you will see the plus icon on the right side. Simply click on this plus icon, and after that you will see available cards, previous cards, Apple apply for Apple card, add Apple account, debit or credit card, travel card. You will see all these details, and from here you can just click on debit or credit card, and when you click on this option, simply click on continue, and when you continue you will see this option, hold your iPhone near your card. So just come down and click enter card details manually. Click on this, and from here you will see this option. As you can see above the keyboard, there is an option scan card with camera. Simply click on this option, and this is how you can add your GameStop gift card to Apple Wallet. So that is a simple process.